Hello everyone, this is Maliha from the Legacy Realtors, and today we have a special guest along with us, Mr. Samyak Doshi, the young and dynamic director of the Bhumi Group. So, hello.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Yeah. So, please tell us about the legacy of the Bhumi Group and of course what inspired you to come in this real estate market at such a young age.
To begin with, I pursued architecture in my undergrad, after which I did my masters, and after which I had to choose a career. And having said architecture as my undergrad, it covered 60% of construction, which already had my inclination towards real estate in Mumbai, which is why I chose this as a career.
It's great to be a part with the future of the Bhumi Group right now. As we all know that the Bhumi Simana project is very remarkable because of its construction and architectural quality, and it has won awards like Times Real Estate Icon, and of course it is certified under IGBC because of its greenery and excellence in residential projects in South Bombay. So how would you define real estate construction quality as compared to others for winning such a big achievement?
Right. That's a very good point that you're following Bhumi Simana in terms of its awards winning and architecture. Highlighting two main things. Firstly is the green aspect that you said, IGBC. We are a pre-IGBC certified building where we have incorporated a lot of green things like solar panels, like water harvesting, like EV charging points. A lot of green points are added, which made us qualified for a IGBC certification, pre-IGBC certification. And secondly, two main things that Bhumi Group focuses on. First is the quality, and the second is commitment. The kind of quality that we actually want to deliver in the market in today's day, you can also look for yourself that the kind of quality that we give versus the quality that you get elsewhere in the market, you will definitely find the buyers of Bhumi much more happy than, that's the market stats that we have. Secondly, the commitment. Whatever commitment that we give, for example, if we are saying that we are going to deliver it by 2025 December, our target is always a year in advance, a prior that like 2024 December would be my internal target, and I commit say 2025. So I'm always at a step higher than my competition.
Very nice. So, by the way, congratulations on winning such prestigious award. So, please tell me, can you describe how, like, your success in this real estate industry? How has it been for you? How was your journey to come at this level, personally?
Right. Talking about success, I think the first closure that happened for me was a very, 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 very big achievement that I had, like the first deal that I sat on and how I could convince the client, which actually escalated my confidence to another level, and I was really happy to close that. And since then till now, you can see the kind of progress in the numbers also. Yeah, I think that's how I would put it.
So please give us some highlights about this project specifically for Bhumi Simana in comparison with your own other projects. Like, what is the most speciality? What's the most special thing about this project, basically?
So this project sets a really different standard right now. In current construction trends, we have incorporated a few new technologies. One being Reckly technology, which we've imported from Germany. You can see the dead walls of this building. They are not like any other normal building, like a normal just a facade and a paint on it. There is a very different texture that you can see on the dead wall of the building. It has its own pros and benefits that any developer would not actually invest in. It's a big amount that we've invested on the dead walls of this building. So from maybe far off also, you can, when we lit up the building, you can identify what's Simana, where is Simana. That was one thing. So Reckly was one thing. Secondly, we've used Maiwan in our construction, which again gives you steady construction, faster construction speed with good quality. And thirdly, if I were to say, the floor to ceiling height that Bhumi Samana has
Yeah, that's
is
very unique.
is 11.8 feet floor to floor height, which is one of the biggest USPs. None of the competitors or any other projects in this vicinity have this kind of a height. So these are the three main points I would say which highlight my project better than the rest.
But basically, in the surroundings also, it's one of the best. It's actually the best.
Adding on to that, we have two other major things that would attract any buyer. First is the kind of land parcel that we have. We have a freehold land. When you say you have a freehold land in a city like Mumbai, which is the most rare thing to get, freehold land makes it very, very, very important for the owner, like the buyer, whoever buys a house here. For example, you are buying a house here, you become a part owner of the land also. With the flat ownership, you get a land ownership, which is not the case with any other projects in this vicinity. If it was an SRA project or a redevelopment project, maybe you wouldn't get the land ownership. Whereas when you buy a house here, you get land ownership, which is one of the biggest USPs that we have. Secondly, we don't even have MCGM car park.
Wow.
BMC car park is one of the biggest nuisance right now. I mean, I would have taken it. I would have got more FSI from the government. I would have made 10 floors more. But I mean, the reason why we did not take it was to think of the customer's future. Like in future, they won't have any hurdles or any complications. Even if they want to go for redevelopment, they do not have to go to DMC to get an NOC, which was one of the biggest reasons why, you know, like MCGM, no MCGM parking, freehold land, floor to floor height. These are a few very, very, very good advantages that we have. Any buyer would have if they bought a house here, which is why our prices are at a little premium than the rest of the market.
Of course, whoever is choosing Bhumi Group, they do have the standards and quality set in mind. And of course, you're taking care of the personal leisure as well as security too.
Definitely.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.